We are feeling the heat. We are looking at temperatures right now at 105 degrees in Sacramento, Stockton at 106, 105 in Modesto with 109 in Marysville, Tahoe. 90 degrees right now. Now, so far, the highs today, they haven't all completely come in yet, are a little lower than we actually anticipated. We are looking closer at about a 110 to even 112 some people had. But now we're looking at around 105, 105, 107. Some spots in between here. I saw Citrus Heights, Roseville about 108. 99 in Placerville, so it depends on where your monitor is, where you're actually grabbing your temperature from. Are you near tarmac? Are you near the grass? That is all indicative of how hot your area is. But in the air temperature, we're looking currently at 105 to 107 currently in the valley. Now, our departure from normal is huge. We're around 91 degrees on average this time of year. We're looking now at 15 to 25 degrees above the normal for this time of year. And as we move into next week, we're still going to be hot and above average. We'll be, though, about 5 to 15 degrees above average next week. And that's where we're still looking at excessive heat in place. Your weather impact here is going to be that excessive heat now through Tuesday of next week. You're looking at 105 to even still potentially 112. Major to extreme heat risk without hardly any overnight relief. I'm talking temperatures dropping just into the low 70s. Now, you'll want to limit your outdoor holiday plans if possible. We're looking at still very hot temperatures for your 4th of July tomorrow, Friday and Saturday as well. Could see some of our peak heat even that Friday or Saturday around 110 to 112. So please be careful. Find ways to keep cool. As we take a look at your 4th of July, the sun sets around 8:33 p.m. So the valley at that time is going to be around 90-degree temperatures, the foothills in the 80s, and the Sierra, you're looking at 70-degree temperatures around 8:30 to 9 p.m. The excessive heat warning will still remain in effect till Tuesday, 11 p.m. across the valley from north of Redding all the way down toward Bakersfield, with a heat advisory in place for the foothills and the high Sierra. As you take a look near the Bay Area, that heat advisory is still also going to be in effect there. Now, as we look at the red flag warning, we're mostly seeing it still extended into Saturday, 9 p.m. for those coastal range spots north of Fairfield and Vacaville towards Santa Rosa and then further south. Now, we will see that in place because it's dry and hot, but also because the winds will be an issue here for them, as we'll see about 20 to 25 mile per hour wind gusts through those areas. Meanwhile, areas of the valley are going to be a lot slower near Oroville and the Thompson Fire, a little slower, so that's some good news. As we move into Thursday, still gusty winds into our evening hours, so a little bit of a concern there. Please be safe. If you have the sparklers out for the kids, have a bucket of water handy there so they can put it in there. Make sure you're staying away from the grass, the dry grass, the fences, any kind of wood elements you have around your home. Make sure you are prepared. Fire extinguisher, always good to have too. Now, we'll look at temperatures tomorrow around 105 to 110 in those foothills. The Bay Area looking at temps here into the upper 70s and low 80s, 107 in Vacaville. And then with your 10-day forecast, now what we're going to expect here over the next 3 days, of course, is our weather impact days with 108 to about 112 possible. And then as we take a look here into next week, at least until Tuesday, we're seeing the excessive heat warning in place with 104 on Wednesday. And then finally, we're still pushing triple digits into the following week. Our longest stretch here has been 11 days, but we could be beating that as we are looking at still extensive.
California weather is a land of extremes.
From dangerous heat, droughts, and wildfire,
to severe storms, flooding, and mountains of snow.
Plus, the occasional tornado.
Keeping you prepared takes a team.
We have decades of experience forecasting this diverse region.
Our job doesn't stop at the forecast.
We investigate what's happening to our climate so you can be ready.
Helping you prepare for today and stay safe tomorrow with a weather team you can trust, only on ABC 10.
Hi, I'm Alex Bell. Join me weeknights at 6:30 on To The Point. Instead of just reporting on the problems, we cut through the noise and look for solutions. We're not afraid to investigate local stories. We're not afraid to include different perspectives. We're not afraid to hold those in power accountable. This is your community, and it's my community too, and we're here to make it better for everyone. Join me, Alex Bell, on To The Point, weeknights at 6:30, only on ABC 10.